Director: Bill Croyer. Actors: Samantha Mathis, Christian Slater, Robin Williams. Publication date: 1992. IMDb rating for the movie: 6.5 out of 10. Rotten Tomatoes score: 63 out of 100. FernGully. The Last Rainforest is an animated film full of adventure and a colorful and beautiful atmosphere, and therefore many may consider it one of Disney's animations because it inspires the same feeling and mood to the audience. This cartoon tells the story of a man who suddenly shrinks due to a mistake and enters the world of fairies who live in the Australian rainforest. In this cartoon film, star actors such as Samantha Mathis, Christian Slater and Robin Williams are in charge of voice work, and this has made this film a place to find brilliant talents. With all this, we can see that the cartoon movie, FernGully, The Last Rainforest, is inferior to other Disney animations in some ways, and maybe that's why it couldn't rank high on our list.